The following film illustrates the main stages for the assembly of a steel zip lift shaft structure. This lift shaft is specially designed to meet the dimensional requirements for installations in very tight spaces. Therefore, it is suitable for small-sized indoor lifts with rear-mounted drive systems. The example shown is installed on an existing building for a 4-stop platform lift with front access. There is no need to change the positions of the staircase parapets. The space available is 80 centimeters in width by 120 centimeters in depth. Before installation can begin, the pit must be constructed and the necessary related building works must be completed. Before commencing installation, check the contents of the kit against the packing list. The manual and design drawings in the kit provide useful reference during installation. The first step is to install the 4 uprights in the pit, which will provide the base plate for fixing to the foundation plinth. The 2 rear uprights are wide and can accommodate a runner bracket within the thickness of the crossbeam if necessary. The 2 front uprights are slim and are designed to provide the largest possible opening for installation of the hinged floor door. Now it is time to build the first ring at the bottom of the pit. Place the first crossbeam level with the height of the first hole in the upright and fasten them together with the M8 bolts provided. For extremely quick, secure installation, all crossbeams are secured to the uprights with threaded inserts fitted into hex holes. The top and threshold crossbeams have special 10 by 30 mm slots that allow the door frame height to be adjusted with a tolerance of about plus or minus 15 millimeters, 15 millimeters up or down. The operation described for the ring in the bottom of the pit is then repeated for all the following rings in the first few segments. Before continuing with the installation, refer to the technical drawing to check the length of the upright segments to be used. To connect the following uprights, use the special sleeve kit and secure the ends of the uprights with the roundhead M8 bolts provided. Then continue assembling the structure until completed. It is now time to set the structure vertical and set it definitively in position by fitting 4 expansion plugs in the plates at the bottom of the pit. Continue to fix the structure by fitting suitable anchor plugs into the wide uprights or on the door top and threshold crossbeams. These plugs can be sunk into the side of the staircase or the fronts of the landings. Use either expansion or chemical plugs, depending on the substrate. The shaft is now vertical, square, and definitively secured to its base and the building. The roof is very simple to install. Simply put it in place and secure it to the upright end plates with the bolts provided. Before installing the elevator, the drive system side enclosure panels should be mounted to avoid any possible problems of interference with travelways and mechanical components. This is not compulsory, however, and different strategies may be preferred on a case-by-case basis. One distinctive feature of all Donzelli shafts is that all the enclosure panels and accessories are installed inside the shaft itself, a particularly important factor when shafts are positioned indoors next to staircases. The following sequence is used to install a 12/10 finned steel plate ventilation panel between 2 wide uprights at the base of the structure. The enclosure panels are always mounted flush with the inside of the shaft structure on zip lifts. Position the panel and secure it on the side with the glass holder clip, which does not require any additional metal fasteners. Installation of the glazing is completed by fitting the glass holder strip, which in this case has openings to allow fixing of the runner brackets, fixed to the crossbeams using self-threading screws. Follow exactly the same procedure to fit the other enclosure panels in the other openings on the drive system side. The lift drive system and doors can now be installed. Once the doors have been fit, all the other shaft enclosure panels can be installed. Following is an additional example of the installation of an over-door layered glass panel between two slim uprights. Position the glass and secure it to the upright by fixing the perforated angle brackets provided using the self-threading screws supplied. Complete by installing the strips on all the crossbeams. Installation of the frame is now complete, and assembly of the lift can be completed. The Zip model is available in various finishes and can be combined with different types of glazing. Some examples: coal gray mica finish with gray smoked glass. The entire RAL range is available. Here is a solution with the shaft structure in RAL 1014 and bronze-colored glass. And following is a RAL 5003 structure with milk white glass. Last but not least is the brushed stainless steel version seen here with stop-sole reflective glass. A conservative estimate for the assembly times of the shafts shown here is 2 days for assembling the structure, setting it vertical, and fixing it, plus an additional 2 days to fit the enclosure panels. The basic assembly team requires 2 people.